Is everything alright, Abdul? You don't look well. I honestly feel a little light-headed, Dewa. It is weird because... What is weird, Abdul? What exactly happened? Well, yesterday I read an article on how skipping breakfast is a good practice. According to the article, skipping breakfast is supposed to help me feel more energetic throughout the day and maintain a healthy weight. So I tried it this morning. You skipped breakfast this morning? I did. The weird thing is, instead of feeling energetic, what I feel is lightheadedness. The article that you read is misleading, Abdul. It is absolutely important to eat breakfast every day. I would even say that breakfast is the most important meal of all. So, what I read was a compilation of myths then? Absolutely! Before I start disproving those myths and explaining why breakfast is important, let's get to something to eat first. Here, have my bread. Thanks, Dewa. Although there are myths about how skipping breakfast is a good practice, I would argue that eating a healthy breakfast is essential for our health. That sounds like an introduction paragraph for an exposition text. I have an idea. While you are explaining your arguments, I would like to write them down as an exposition text. We can even post it on the wall magazine for everyone to read later. Great idea, Abdul. Let's say the title is Breakfast Myth.
Dewa baru saja memberikan opininya mengenai bagaimana sarapan adalah penting untuk kesehatan kita. Abdul mengatakan, pernyataan Dewa dapat dibuat menjadi sebuah teks eksposisi. Mengapa bisa begitu, teman-teman? Bila kita analisa, hal ini dikarenakan oleh terdapatnya unsur eksposisi dalam pernyataan Dewa. Apa itu unsur eksposisi dalam sebuah kalimat? Perlu kita ingat bahwa teks eksposisi adalah sebuah esai atau teks argumentatif yang dirancang untuk membuat pembaca menyetujui pandangan penulis tentang sesuatu hal. Oleh karena itu, dalam teks eksposisi dapat ditemukan pernyataan-pernyataan persuasif. Dalam kalimat yang ditulis Abdul dalam teks, terdapat unsur persuasif ketika dinyatakan, despite those myths, the author argues that eating a healthy breakfast is essential for our health due to two main reasons. Karena penulis berusaha memberikan argumennya untuk meyakinkan pembaca bahwa sarapan penting untuk kesehatan. Mari kita simak pembicaraan Dewa dan Abdul selanjutnya untuk menganalisa ungkapan-ungkapan persuasif dalam teks eksposisi.
Firstly, contrary to the popular belief that skipping breakfast can lead to weight loss, not having breakfast can instead lead to weight gain. It is undeniable that skipping breakfast in the morning makes people feel hungry when they do their activities. As a result, they tend to overeat during lunchtime or eat snacks high in fat and sugar as a compensation for missing breakfast. The habit of overeating and snacking on food high in calories will surely result in weight gain, I understand. You're right. Secondly, breakfast provides the nutrient needed by the body to function well throughout the day. Carbohydrates are needed by the brain to perform its duties. It is also essential that the body gets the minerals, vitamin, and fibers it needs to function healthily. Therefore, it is certain that people who eat breakfast will be more energized because their bodies are well nourished. That explains why I felt so lightheaded just now. In conclusion, people should not skip breakfast as it is perhaps the most important meals of the day. Not only does eating breakfast help maintain a healthy weight, it also provides nutrients to keep the body functioning optimally throughout the day. Brilliant, Dewa! Thank you for your thought. I have written the text and I hope many of our friends will read it. and avoid the mistake that I made.
Kesimpulan, dalam teks eksposisi, terdapat unsur-unsur persuasif dalam kalimat pernyataan-pernyataannya. Kita dapat menganalisa pernyataan-pernyataan persuasif dalam teks yang disusun oleh Dewa dan Abdul melalui ungkapan-ungkapan berikut. Despite, the author argues that, contrary to the popular belief that, it is undeniable that, as a result, it is also essential that, therefore, it is certain that, people should not only, but also